Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. Today we're going to talk about just two quick topics, and this is going to be a very short video. First of all, I've seen a lot of witches on subreddit and the Facebook witchy groups talking about how they are feeling inferior to witches they see across social media, including YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the subreddit, and probably some other ones that I don't even know about. But anyhow, I don't feel like you should feel inferior to anything you're seeing on social media, because most of the time those pictures and videos, they're staged to be aesthetically pleasing for the audience to draw you in. Witchcraft in real life can be quite messy. You can have a candle spill all over, you can mix the wrong herbal concoction and stink up the house. Those are the kind of things that are never filmed or posted on social media, because looking at something that's beautiful and looks great is way more appeasing to the audience than the bad stuff. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new, or even if you're not and you're feeling inferior, cut it out. There's no reason for it. There's no need for it. You are perfectly amazing just the way you are. 2, I want to talk about the term baby witch. I really don't like that term. I find it to be disrespectful to the one you're calling a baby witch. Or if you're calling yourself that, cut it out. Here's why. Baby implies that you are not capable, but you're an adult and you are capable. A baby can't even hold up its own head, but you can, and you should be holding your head high. All right, witches, I hope you have a wonderful week and a magical Monday, and we'll talk soon.